Fatty liver disease. It is the excessive deposition of triglycerides, that is fatty material, in the cells of the liver, that is hepatocytes. This excessive deposition produces inflammation, fibrosis, and disrupt the functions of the liver tissues to perform for the survival of the body. It is of two types, alcoholic and non-alcoholic. Almost 80% cases they are due to the excessive use of alcohol. Alcohol, it is to be noted that alcohol and fructose they are only metabolized in the liver, not in other parts of the body. So excess amount of these two elements or items that damage the hepatocytes, that is the cells of the liver, and the function of the liver cell is disturbed and destroyed. Non-alcoholic fatty liver or steatohepatitis, in that is caused by obesity, diabetes, hypertension, drug reactions, long use of steroids. These are the factors that in the long run produces damage to the liver cells and produces the excessive deposition of the fat inside the cells of the liver. So there are four stages of this disease. First stage is called as harmless fatty liver. When the deposition of the fatty material inside the liver is above 5%, then it is called as fatty liver disease. Initially, the first stage is innocent one, that does not interfere or produces interference or the obliteration in the function of the liver. Second stage is called as steatohepatitis. In this stage, the cells they undergo inflammatory process due to damage of the produced by the excessive triglyceride deposited within the liver. Due to this inflammatory process, liver is swollen, inflamed, and become painful. And initially, there is diminution or the reduction in the function of the liver performance. Third stage is fibrosis. After prolonged period of inflammatory process, the cells decay, die away, and replaced by the fibrous tissue, and that is called fibrosis. Up to this stage, if it is detected earlier, is curable, is reversible. It can be reversed, it can be treated, it can be normalized by the immediate and proper medical treatments and the preventive measures. Fourth stage is critical, fulminating, and dangerous one, that is called cirrhosis of the liver. It is irreversible stage. The whole parenchyma of the liver is replaced by the fibrous tissue. The liver mass is shrunken up, shriveled one, become hard, stony, and is functionless. So that also passes onwards into carcinoma of the liver and the liver failure, which needs transplantation of the liver for the survival of the patient. So these are the types and the stages of the fatty liver disease. Next is the symptoms of the steatosis. Initially, in the first stage, there is no evident symptom or complaint by the patient. It is revealed by the routine ultrasound, abdominal ultrasound examination. There is later on when the disease progressive, there is progression of the disease, then there is pain in the right hypochondrium. Later on, as the time passes on, the disease is prolonged, then there is nausea, vomiting, then there is jaundice, that is the yellowness of the conjunctiva and the mucus of the buccal cavity, skin is yellow color, pruritus, then there is also bleeding from the nose, capillary bleeding under the skins, loss of appetite, loss of weight, anemia, then there is fatigue symptoms, malaise, also there is breast enlargement in the men. So these are the various complaints, I mean the symptoms which in the later stage, I mean in the cirrhosis, cirrhotic stage, when it is a irreversible one and not curable one. So these are the various symptoms produced in the late phases of the disease. So this fatty liver is curable in the initial stages, but when it is a prolonged or progressed into the later stages, that is the cirrhotic stage or cirrhosis, then it is not a curable and not it is reversible one.